you an undergraduate law student? Are you a final year law student? Are you in the process of conducting a research that will take you to the next level, either in your academics, your business, or your career, or in life generally? Then this YouTube channel is for you. My name is Juliet Abah. I'm a legal practitioner. I am also a law lecturer and a PhD student here in Nigeria. Over the years, I have mentored my students and helped them complete their research work in record time and ensure that their work is not only qualitative but quantitative. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on this channel. So welcome to Learn Research Methodology with Jules. On this channel, I'll be teaching us 6 basic things. Number 1, I'm going to be showing us the tips and tricks of research methodology. Number 2, I'm going to show us how to pick research topics and how to draft our chapter synopsis. Number 3, I'm going to be showing us where to get relevant, useful, free resource materials that we'll be referencing in our research. Number 4, I'm going to be showing us how to write from our chapter 1 through to our last chapter. Number 5, I'm going to be showing us how to manage our time so that we are not overwhelmed by research. And lastly, number 6, I'm going to show us how to edit, how to format, how to footnote, and how to reference our research work.